Send out here coming at you with another video. And as you can tell, I'm in my like vlogging mode where I'm just doing like a lot of self-care and taking care of my home and my children, and I just want to share that with you. Of course, I'm still going to be giving you guys hair videos, but you know, here's a little snippet into my life now. I got inspired to do another nail video by All of Destiny. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers, okay? And I already have a video prepping my nails, so I'm gonna leave that one in the link below. But I'm literally sitting here with popcorn watching All of Destiny's video, and I was looking at my fingers like looking like little boy hands, and I'm like, really, you have too much stuff to not have your nails done. So like I said, already prepped my nails. I'm gonna leave all of the information to all of the products that I've used in this video in the description box below in my Amazon store, except for this glitter. I have literally had this glitter forever. Like, I feel like I got this glitter maybe like 8 years ago. So I got it from Sally's. I doubt it very seriously if it's still at Sally's, and if I can find a link to the glitter, then I'll leave it there, but for the most part it is not there. Now at first it looks a little clumpy because the glitter is rather thick. I shouldn't even really call it glitter. Why am I calling it glitter? Because it's not. But I did mix that with clear acrylic, and I had to go ahead and lay down a layer. Now I always do a layer first, like right where that line hits, guys, because it just makes it so my nail does not bend under, and it also makes it so it grips really good and it's really firm in the middle. Because when y'all think about it, whenever your nails snap or break, when it really hurts, is right there at that stress point. So that's the first thing that I do. So now I'm just going ahead and getting all this glitter and stuff on there. And at first I was gonna do stiletto nails, but I ended up doing almond shaped nails at the end, you guys. Just like, you know, I don't really have a certain pattern that I'm going in. I have pink gel, clear gel with glitter, and then I have the white. So I'm just, you know, guessing as I go. So this one is just gonna be a all pink one. Like, I'm just using the pink acrylic for this one, building the nail, and then I'm gonna do a ombre nail, and then another pink one, and then another glitter one. Okay, so it's gonna be pretty simple. I am right-handed, so I didn't even attempt to stress myself out trying to record myself doing my other hand. But in this video, I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, everything that I'm doing. You just have to move really fast whenever it comes to acrylic, especially if you have a good acrylic, because it will dry really fast. And the angles that you're holding your hands in have a lot to do with it too. I can't really do it as much because of the way I'm trying to make sure you guys can see everything, but it's really important that you A, keep all of the product away from your cuticle, and B, try to point your fingers downward so that it won't slide up, towards the cuticle, okay? Because it's very hard to remove it. Even once you wipe it off, there's always a little bit of residue because it dries really fast, and it'll still make the nail lift, okay? So you're not gonna hear it in this video, but you can always check to see if whether or not it's dry by hitting it, and if you hit it and it makes a loud sound, then you know you good. The reason that the other one is still on, the form is still on, is because I clicked it and I hear nothing. So that one has to dry a little bit. For the ombre nail, I start off in the middle, sort of, kind of, with the pink. I just put a little bit of pink on there, and then I start forming the white below that line, and then I'm gonna hurry up and connect it in between. And then you're gonna do it the same way that you would think to like blend your makeup or your eyebrows or something like that. I'm gonna do a full set of ombre nails for you guys so you can actually get a good view of it, because I was talking to my child and doing this at the same time, so it's not as seamless as it should be. But doing ombre nails really is not as hard as it sounds. It's a lot you know, it's a lot of technical things that go into it, but once you know them, you'll be good. Okay, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this ombre nail. The next one is gonna have more glitter, and then the next one is going to be pink. I'm putting a gel overlay on top, and I'm using gelish. And once again, all of the information in the description box below. Now these forms, they are slightly complicated, just a little bit, and I go into depth about how to put them on. I will go into depth about how to put them on if that's something that you want to see. But you know, this is only the second like nail video that I posted, so don't know what you guys are interested in and what you're not interested in. So as you watch the things that you want to see, you just gotta tell me. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and move along, but I did have to go back in on the ombre nail because I pulled the white up a little bit too much and I wasn't paying attention. It dried fast on me because, like I said, I was talking to my kid. So yeah, but this glitter for the next one, I'm not gonna use as like a glitter that's this complicated, just so you guys can get a better view, because my intention was to do the video in real time, but because of how hard it was for me to work with the glitter, I was like, you know, well, flakes, why do I keep saying glitter? Flakes. So I just decided to speed it up. And this one, I'm pretty much kind of sort of doing the whole finger and then like a little bit closer to the cuticle. Then I'm gonna put pink up there, but that finger is the majority the greenish bluish color. Okay, so now once everything is on, I'm going to go in and take the clear and put that on top so that, you know, the little stubble from the stuff isn't poking up. So like I said, this is a mixture of the clear acrylic and the pink and white. Okay, so I'm just getting the last one together. My pinky finger has been the same size since I was born. Okay, it just does not, I've accepted it. I'm short, my pinky finger won't be little, it is what it is. So now I'm taking these off. I have to be honest and say I'm not necessarily extremely neat when it comes to the acrylic because I'm pretty good with the drill, so I don't really care honestly. But like I said, at first my intention was to do stiletto, but I was like, you know, my husband always complains about stiletto nails. He was like, "Ooh, I don't like them witch nails." So, you know, whatever. You know, sometimes I still do it, but this time, you know, I was figured I'd razzle dazzle them a little bit, you know. So now I'm going to go in with the gelish, and I'm just putting the base coat on, and then I'm gonna go up under there, and then after that we're gonna put the top coat on. Oh yeah, I'm using mint green. It's from Gelish, and I actually really love this color. I did a pedicure on my toes with the color, so my nails match my toes and stuff. And I really like this mint green color. I will say the only problem that I have with it, you have to use like 3 coats because it's really like it's not translucent at all. So you have to use a couple of coats just to get it blah. You have to use a couple of coats to make sure everything is exactly how you want it to be. Okay, so that is pretty much it, you guys. I haven't done a full talk through video in a long time, and this one isn't that long, so I figured why not. But this is like my 3rd coat, you guys. Like it's like way too, I didn't mean to say translucent, I meant to say transparent. It's way too transparent, so you have to use a whole lot. So now I'm just taking alcohol and getting off that sticky layer because that's not cute. And that is it, you guys. I really hope that you like this video. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe if you are not doing so already. Make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. Once you subscribe, make sure you, oh yeah girl, don't forget to be oiling your cuticles and stuff. Like, it's nothing worse than having little ashy knuckles. You grown. You can't be having ashy knuckles. That's not cute. Anyway, so like I said, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. Once you subscribe, make sure you go ahead and click that bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you are subscribed to my website. That way you're notified whenever I post a video, whether you are clicking that bell or not. Okay, I really want to know what you guys think. I can't say I don't do nails professionally because I'm a licensed cosmetologist, but yes, girl, this is it, girl. Subscribe, girl. I'm back, girl.